What if I told you making $500 a week from home is easier in 2025 than ever before? Imagine waking up tomorrow with an extra $500 in your account just for working from home. Sounds good, right? Well, this isn't a fantasy. It's reality for thousands of people right now in 2025. And the truth is, you can do it too. In this video, I'm going to share the top 10 realistic methods people are using to make $500 a week online. Some are simple, others require skill, but all of them actually pay. Stick with me until the end, because number one is the method that completely changed the way I think about money and freedom. 10. Freelance writing. Freelance writing is one of the most reliable ways to make money from home. Websites, blogs, and businesses always need content. In fact, a recent Statista report showed that over 80% of companies now outsource at least part of their content creation. Here's the best part. You don't need to be a professional author to get started. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer have thousands of daily job listings. Beginners often start at around $20, $30 per article, but once you build a portfolio, you can easily charge $100 or more. Writing just 5 articles a week can put $500 in your pocket. The key is to pick a niche. Tech writing, fitness, finance, and travel are some of the highest paying areas. Clients love specialists because it shows expertise. 9. Virtual assistants. Next up is virtual assistants. A virtual assistant, or VA, helps businesses and entrepreneurs with everyday tasks like managing emails, scheduling, customer service, or social media. According to ZipRecruiter, the average VA in the US makes around $20 an hour, but skilled ones make $30, $40. That means working just 15 to 20 hours per week could land you $500. And demand is growing fast. Remote work has exploded since 2020, and businesses of all sizes now rely on VAs. If you're organized, good with communication, and tech savvy, this is a perfect option. Plus, you can specialize, like becoming a podcast VA or a social media VA, which usually pays more. 8. Selling digital products. One of the most exciting ways to earn money is by selling digital products. Unlike physical items, digital goods can be created once and sold infinitely. Examples include ebooks, online courses, templates, or even digital art. For instance, Teachers on Teachers Pay Teachers sell lesson plans and worksheets, often earning thousands each month. Canva template sellers on Etsy are making over $3,000 a month, according to marketplace data. If you can design, write, or teach something, this method is powerful. The beauty is scalability. While freelancing is limited to hours worked, digital products can earn while you sleep. Even selling just 20 products a week at $25 each puts you right at the $500 mark. 7. Online tutoring education has gone global. Online tutoring is in huge demand, especially in subjects like math, science, and languages. Platforms like Cambly, Preply, and VIPKid allow you to teach students around the world from your laptop. The pay depends on subject and skill. English tutors earn around $15, $20 an hour, while math or science tutors can make $30, $50 an hour. According to Global Market Insights, the online tutoring industry is projected to reach $25 billion by 2030, showing just how big the opportunity is. With only 10-15 hours a week, you can comfortably hit $500. And if you're bilingual, teaching English as a second language can be especially profitable. 6. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest but still one of the best ways to earn money online. You promote someone else's product or service, and when people buy through your unique link, you earn a commission. Amazon Associates is a classic example, but there are higher paying programs in tech, finance, and software. For example, SaaS companies often pay 20-40% recurring commissions, meaning if someone subscribes, you get paid every month. Imagine recommending a $1.50/month software. If you refer just 10 paying users, that's $500 a month. The secret is building trust, whether through a blog, YouTube channel, or even TikTok. Affiliate marketing rewards consistency and patience, but it's one of the few methods that can eventually grow into full-time income. 5. Print on demand. Have you ever wanted to sell t-shirts, mugs, or hoodies without worrying about inventory? That's where print on demand, POD, comes in. Platforms like Printful, Teespring, and Redbubble let you design graphics, and they handle the printing and shipping. Here's the crazy part. A single viral design can earn hundreds in a week. Many sellers report making $500 to $2,000 a month from just a handful of trending designs. And since the startup cost is basically zero, it's one of the most beginner-friendly methods. To succeed, focus on niche communities like funny gym shirts, pet lovers, or fandom culture. If you know your audience, your designs will sell themselves. 4. Social media management. Every business needs a social media presence, but not every owner has the time or skill to manage it. That's where you come in. Social media managers create posts, engage with followers, and grow accounts. The average pay for freelance social media managers is $500, $1,500 per month per client. That means landing just 1 or 2 clients could easily cover your weekly $500 goal. Businesses love measurable results, so if you can show you grew engagement or brought in sales, you can charge more. And since short-form video like TikTok and Instagram Reels dominates in 2025, managers who understand trends are in very high demand. 3. Remote customer service. Many companies have shifted their customer support fully online. Remote customer service jobs pay around $15, $25 an hour, according to Indeed. That's roughly $500 for 20-25 hours of weekly work. This is one of the most straightforward methods because it requires little setup. If you have good communication skills, patience, and a quiet space, you're qualified. Companies like Amazon, Apple, and American Express regularly hire remote representatives. For people who prefer stability and a steady paycheck, this is one of the safest options. 2. Content creation. If you've been on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, you know content creation is massive, and it's no longer just for influencers with millions of followers. Micro creators, those with smaller, niche audiences, are getting paid too. Brand deals, sponsorships, and ad revenue are real sources of income. According to Influencer Marketing Hub, even accounts with 10,000, 50,000 followers can earn $500, $1,000 per sponsored post. On YouTube, once you hit monetization, even a few thousand views per day can generate hundreds per week. It takes consistency, but it's also fun. If you enjoy creating videos, writing threads, or sharing ideas, content creation is one of the most fulfilling ways to earn. 1. Remote consulting and coaching. At number 1 is consulting and coaching. If you have a skill, whether it's marketing, career guidance, fitness, or even cooking, you can teach others online. People are paying for results, not just information. The consulting market is booming. According to IBIS World, the online coaching industry has grown nearly 6% annually since 2019. Coaches often charge $50, $200 per session. That means just 3-5 clients a week can bring in $500 or more. This method changed everything for me. Instead of trading time for money like in freelancing, you're trading expertise for transformation, and that value is priceless. So there you have it, 10 real ways to make $500 a week from home in 2025. We covered everything from freelancing and tutoring to affiliate marketing and coaching. Some methods bring fast cash, others build long-term income streams, but each one is real and achievable. Remember, the real power here isn't just making extra money, it's about freedom. The freedom to work on your own terms, spend more time with family, and build something that lasts. If this video gave you new ideas, don't let them slip away. Pick one method, take action this week, and see what happens. And before you go, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. I post videos just like this every week to help you earn smarter, live freer, and take control of your future. So which of these methods would you try first? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your plan.